Beautiful moving people, welcome back to a new video. Here we are. So managed to get a SIM card so we can be online. I'm happy for that. So today's journey is going to be going inland. Land inwards. Anyways, we're going to try and visit desert-like area near Almeria, where for example, parts of Game of Thrones were shot, and back to the spaghetti western and all the good ones. So yeah, kind of confused, sorry, but let's head off. Also trying a new mic setup, so I hope this works. And we have audio all the way, and maybe better. Let me know if it's better, if you like it, and if not, let me also know, then we'll change it. Oh, it's closed. Okay, I would. We move on to the other one. Okay, this time it was an operating tank station, so we got our diesel and we're gonna head off. Let's just see if everything is ready for the drive, and we go. Okay, also put on the fridge because it's been a while since I've used it, and maybe it will get us one or the other cold beer. I mean, it's nice and sunny. So yeah, let's go back on the road. Slow-mo time. Yeah, I wanted to say something, but embarrassed. So this is an area where a lot of greenhouses are. I don't know if you can see it. It looks like if we would be next to the sea through the reflection of the sun, but a lot of greenhouses. I don't know what's inside. Oranges, tomatoes, kiwis, I don't know, you name it. And all of the area here, I don't know if you have seen satellite images. Go and have a look over Almeria. And yeah, you see what I mean. So we're like stuck in a traffic jam. Basically, there are some works going on the highway, and we piled up behind each other, and like we're going like 20 kilometers an hour, but hey, that's how it is. Okay, we're on our way to Sierra Alhamilla. Let's see how it is there and what we're gonna find. I have to check out the handbrake, but we're here. If you can see in the distance. Like two settlements or like sets, and let's go check them out, no? So let's try and have a look how it looks down there. I guess this is just one bit of the whole old filming concept here. So let's catch the last sunlight before the night comes and have a look at this place. So yeah, I'm a bit all over the place now. Too excited to be here. For sure not able to drive anymore down here, as you saw now up there. It's been blocked, but let's see. Maybe there is a film going on here. I don't know. Let's go. So we're taking a walk to set number 1, and on my back thought, I don't know, I kind of worry a bit about Helix, since I realized that the handbrake doesn't, it's más o menos, kind of feel it. But I feel it in my breath as well now. Walking. Okay, let's go, set 1. So it looks like there is an active shoot at the moment, because there are people working here, repairing. As you see, the signs were pretty new. Let's see if we can have a glimpse. There is a beautiful olive tree there. Let me show it to you. It looks amazing. Friends of the way, wow, the sun is setting. And the people here really friendly. Let us shoot a bit of the set here. So they said, I mean, my Spanish is really más o menos. I'm saying it now more, I think I learned it. So, zolala. And they said they're preparing the set for a movie in the next days. So I guess there will be parts being shot here in this village, kind of. They will probably work until the night, and other places around here. Amazing scenery. So I'll inform myself a bit more on what has been shot here as films. And the only thing that I kind of got over the past days kind of researching is that this is just one of the spots used for a lot of films, and it's supposed to be, if I'm not mistaken, over the mountain ridge here there is more, einfach more. There are like, I think, as far as I saw, 3 big studios, let's say, where like parts of basically cities were built and they are still kept at a good condition. And yeah, let's go and have a look at set number 2. Back there. So we're closing in. I don't know if you can hear me. This is set number 2. And up there, you don't see it, but it's baby Helix waiting for us. A lot of things are coming into my mind now. Forgot to tell you. Supposed to be somewhere up there. There is a village or something with hot springs. I don't know if they are active or other, but maybe we can visit them as well. Let's see. Change of scenery. Some pines instead of the good old palm trees. And I feel I am somewhere else now. Okay, we just reached the set number 2, and as you can see, they have built the buildings here. Looks amazing, like kind of a metal structure and then papier-mâché. And I will try and ask someone if I can walk a bit inside and film it for you. Wow, it looks amazing. Wait a sec, let's find someone. What? I just go like this. This is amazing. I haven't been, I think, in my life in a situation like this, and it looks amazing. I mean, look how it looks from the back. Wow. Really amazing, how do you say, craftsmanship. The peeps working this thing. Great. Okay. I think this is it. We're heading back. It was amazing. Hope you liked it. Oh. Okay, we have our walking stock. Walking bamboos. So, as you see me go in the... so, that's it. Everybody's heading out. I'm gonna do it myself. Head out of this spot and go back to Helix. It's time to finish this video. So thanks a lot for being here. Thanks a lot for like tuning in until this moment, for sure. And join on the next adventure, where we're gonna probably go behind that mountain ridge with our nice bamboo stock now, because we need it. We are senderos and or something like that. And I'm looking forward for the sleep, because listen to this. Nothing. Okay. Goodie. Bye bye. Much love to you out there. Enjoy your day, night, and see you on the next one. Bye. 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 Bye.